How to connect multiple boards in Monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to create a board, or you have, for example, a board and then you want to connect it to another board. So the information or data that you have gathered on one board are going to be shared on the second one. So it is going to affect, for example, the progress tracking, the type or the total of the specific, let's say, tasks, and then the status of the task. So we are going to head over monday.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see our dashboard. Once you're here, we're going to head over the left side of the screen. As you can see, we are on the home page. We're going to head over the workspaces. We're going to select one of the workspaces. Here, as you can see, I have not created a product yet. So you can go ahead and click on board. For example, in here, I can go ahead and create a board just like that. So we can go ahead and make it a main, private, or a shareable, for example. And then you can select what you're managing in the board. For example, items, campaigns, creatives, budgets, whatever. And then you're going to have them right away. So I'm going to create this board. So we are going to have the board to set. So as you can see, this is going to be the board for the I think the personnel or the team. So you can go ahead and set up the status of the specific project that I have assigned to them. So I think that, and then you're going to have them right away. So I'm going to assign this to that. Now, let's go ahead and create another board. So it is going to be a multiple board creation. So we are going to have this as maybe tasks. So we are going to have it as tasks. So we're going to have it just like that. I'm going to delete it, archive that. I'm going to add a task board, task, and it is going to have some specified tasks in here. So in here, I'm going to have them set up right away. So let's go ahead and add another board, which is going to be for the maybe the projects. So we're going to have them right there. So it is going to be having the same dashboard, I think, and etc. So what can we do in here is going to relate these boards here, link them or connecting them, of course. So we are going to relate them to this specific project or the mega project. We're going to have in here on this page a new column. So we're going to head over here, click on add column. And from here, we're going to head over the category of the super useful ones and click on connect. So you're going basically to connect boards. So connect this board to other boards. You can easily view and edit items from any board you choose. So I'm going to click on choose boards, and then you're going to see, for example, hey, here are the boards. So also you can search for the board, or you can go ahead and choose to create a two-way connection. That means that you're going to modify a board from another or the other from the other. So I'm going to connect it to the three recent ones, and then we are going to click on connect. So here, as you can see, you can now visualize data from your connected boards with the mirror column. So you can go ahead and create a mirror column, and right there you are going to have, for example, the status and etc. And here we have it. So you can go ahead and select the new board or the board that you have set, for example, for whatever you have. We'll say maybe here we are going to have the due date for the main one, and the other board is going to be maybe the persons and the, or you can go ahead and have them all like that. So when you finish that, you're going to see here the connected board and also here the specific items. So you can go ahead and add the different tasks that you have. So you can go ahead and see the progress of these specific boards. So when you see the plus sign here, it is going to have the specific, as you can see, items or the boards created in here. You can go ahead and do that for any nearly workspace that you have in here. And also you can have here, for example, if you have added another board, let's say that we're going to add another board and you have some of them selected. I'm going to have here created another board, which is going to be set up like this, and it is not connected to that. You can go ahead and head over the place that you have added the column for the board, click on it, and then you're going to see, for example, the specific connection. So I can go ahead and add, for example, another board from another item, so for example, or set up the board. So as you can see here, we have a new board, new board, new board for the three. Also, the fourth one, you can go ahead and add another one, as you can see by clicking on the settings and click on connect more boards. So you're going to see the last one that we have, and then you're going to connect it just like that. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.